Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FOMX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out in this situation a very logical question, quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price has made a very nice move. And when you stop and think about it, that earlier on the price was down at that level of the chart. Now the price has gone all the way up there. Any rational person would say, yeah, the price has certainly made a nice move. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make it mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at $2.60. Why is $2.60 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to, go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $2.60. Let's say the price comes down to that area and then just continues on down. What would you have at this point from a very literal perspective? Well, you would literally have the price right back inside of that range of the chart where it was in that previous range. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price comes down here, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as $2.60. What about levels of resistance going forward? Well, at this point in time, in my mind at least, it's all about this overall resistance trend line right there. And let me change that to red for resistance. Hard to assign a numerical value to that just because, this line is going down over time. But as of right now, to kind of, guess, estimate it right around 268 to 270, that range right there is going to be the key level of resistance going forward. But really, what matters the most is just chipping away now and starting to show, signs of progress. So chip away, build higher bases, and as long as higher bases are being built, then all the other resistance levels will take care of themselves. But anyway, look at it. Nice bounce today. Now it's just a question of can the price build upon this momentum going forward? Let's see what happens. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.